Last time on MJNAJR E28. Anyway, as we quick recap before I get started today. Took care of this side. Strut is good. About to do this side, the passenger side. I'm going to try to put together the subframe as well. At least put it back together as much as I can. It's Monday, the 20th, day after Juneteenth. Father's Day was yesterday as well. Had a good time. Appreciative of my family and everything like that. Anyway, like I said, I'm gonna get started. Late start to the day, but this show must go. So this is a little bit of a rinse and repeat type of thing. This is the passenger side strut. This one was really bad, a little bad shape. It was spinning. I had to finagle it a little bit just to get the top nut off. I just kind of blew off some of the dust of these pieces, kind of rusty. I'm just gonna give it a quick coat of paint. Nothing special, nothing spectacular, like I said before, just to like cover some of this rust spots, make it look a little bit better, prolong it a little longer, seeing that I don't have replacements of these pieces. And then, like I said before, once I get this strut finished and back on the vehicle, the cover blew up again, and just look at the body lines, look at the lines. Anyway, then I'm gonna start with the rubber coating. I'm gonna do that while this stuff is drying. And then I'm going to try to do the subframe. I'm going to try to put it together as much as I can. I might not put it fully together today. I'm definitely not putting it on today, but if I get it, based on time, if I get it, situated in a certain kind of way, I'll take care of that. Anyway, like I said, rinse and repeat. Just going to hit this with a coat of paint just to make it look a little bit more presentable when it's in there. And take it. So here's a first look. This is not perfect, but it gets the job done. Here's the driver's side with the rubber undercoating. I just sprayed around the perimeter of the repair and the repair itself. Give it a decent coating, fill in the gaps, and it looks good so far. Let's check the other side. Okay, so here's the other side. I had everything around it. You know what I'm saying? All the gaps, all the spaces have been hit with this rubberized coating. That goop stuff is good. The repairs seem very solid. I'm happy with it. Like I said before, let's wait a second. Like I said before, it's not a perfect repair. It's not going to be crazy, but this is the job done. And that's what's important. So I'm just letting this stuff dry right here, and then I'll continue with the installation. Man, so it took a lot out of me. So I got it in there. I had to play with that a little bit at the bottom because it was cocked this way, so I had to like put a bar in it and kind of straighten it out. But passing the strut is in. It was super annoying because you had to move this box here and then get behind there and get there, and then the car is jacked, so I had to get a step stool to get some leverage and proper angle. So now it's 4:30 almost. I'm gonna try to tackle some stuff with this subframe. I might put some of the stuff back together. I really want to try to, like I said, continue to move forward and not just come and do a strut, you know what I'm saying? If I was really being optimistic, I would try to put the subframe back together and see if I could put it in the car, but I'm going to take my time. If I at least get the subframe together and intact, that's a little bit better than nothing. So that's what I'm going to try to do now and see what's going on. Okay, so I decided to put the subframe back together, or at least start doing it. So I put these pieces back on there. I did hit it with a quick coat of paint. Nothing perfect, as you can see, mad imperfections. I think this side's kind of a little bit hit. I might spray it again real quick. But just to make it look a little bit decent, since I'm putting it back under the car, like I said, not a show car, just want the car to be functional and safe. So I put everything back on here. So far, so good. I got the new parts for the little dog bones at the bottom, or whatever you want to call those. I'm about to put those on. And then that part will be done. I took the differential out. It's right in that bag. And I also, where the sway bar at? Took that out. I forgot where I put it. I put it somewhere. But anyway, just making some steps forward. The only thing I'm a little upset about is that I had a box with some of the parts for the differential to mount on the chassis, and I put it in my parents' house, and I think they might have moved it when they were reorganizing, or maybe I might have misplaced it, and now I can't find it. So that's kind of a little bit of a downer, and I don't want to have to buy that again. I think it was like $45 or $50 to buy that piece, and I don't want to do that. So hopefully it's not a big deal. I can find it and continue. I was gonna try to put the subframe on today, but you know, you take it easy, get home, spend some time with the fam. I'm just gonna finish up with these other little components, have my brother help me move this under the car, and we're one step closer to putting this car back on all four wheels and hopefully, you know, driving it soon. So yeah, just giving you guys a quick update, and I guess so I think I'm gonna call it for the day. Getting late, about to head home. You can see here go the new joints. I used the same hardware because they gave me some new hardware, but it was like more Allen key based, and I didn't want to deal with no Allen keys, so I just used the regular bolts that they had. These are the old ones. As you can see, they had it, man. If you can focus, they had it. Look, they're complete trash. So I'm going to throw those away. Partially, subframe is put together. Differential, like I said, is in this bag here. Sway bar is here as well. Probably put this in the trunk of the car. And it's cool. I got new replacements to these. I guess this is the dog bone or whatever, but I got replacements to these as well. I'm not gonna paint this, so I'm not gonna waste my time. I'm just gonna put this stuff away. I'm gonna have my brother help me scoot this subframe back under the car. For now, not gonna be assembled obviously, but at least kind of out of the way. I don't want to try to squeeze it in here. And next time, hopefully, I get to put it back together. Yeah, I mean, that's it for now. I want to thank you guys again for watching. Thanks for the support. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. It's free. I'm just trying to build a platform. You know what I'm saying? I'm far from having 1,000 subs, obviously, but you know, I figure I put myself out there, help somebody. Some of the other videos help me, but like I said, there's not a lot of videos with E28s out there. So anyway, enjoy the rest of your day. Have a good one, and God bless.